welcome back to Chef Pup's Kitchen. All right, today we got our first delivery of Butcherbox. All right, all different types of meat. They had a sale on. I will be getting this delivered every month for $169. So this is my first order, so we're gonna see what it looks like. So I haven't opened it yet. I opened up one side, but I still have to open up the other side. So without further ado, let me give you a closer look of what type of meat is coming out of here. So y'all guys stay tuned. All right, let's get the unpacking this here. Let's see. All right, we got, ooh, this is cold. Oh man. We got some ice bags here. Another dry ice bag. Oh. All right. It looks like another piece of cardboard. I don't know what this is, but it's all sealed in here. Okay, what do we got here? Oh my God, look at these. These are pork chops. Center cut thick pork chops. Wow, these are nice, boneless. So we got two of those. Oh, and we got some Atlantic salmon. A pack of Atlantic salmon. And you can also change your order up differently. If you don't want this, so next month I can actually change it up, and you know, I'm free of no charge. All right. Oh, got a nice pack of Atlantic cod. All right. What else we got here? What is this? This is the tri-tip. This is the tri-tip here. All right, we got the tri-tip. All this is still frozen, wow. And I have two filet mignons, grass-fed beef filet mignon. All right. And what is this here? And grass-fed flank steak. Flank steak. Okay. And last and final thing, bacon. 3 packs of bacon. All right, so this is it for the box here. Don't need the box anymore. We have the dry ice. All right. Let me just get rid of this here. Right, don't need this cardboard no more. So, is it worth the amount of money that you pay with this time and days? I don't know. We're going to be cooking some of this up in the near future, and they have another. What do you call it? This is 169. They got one for 306. It's like 19 to 20 something pounds of meat. All right, you get to pick 12 items. My items was only 6, but with the deal they had with the flank steak, I get this free for 1 year. 1 year, this is free. So I actually got 7 items, but excuse me, I ordered 6, but I got the 7th one for free, and I'll get this every month for free. Every month for free for a whole year. All right, so that's it with the unboxing. If you like this video, see, got my little kitty cat skills. See what'll be on video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. At Cooking with Chef Pup. We always bring you the good stuff. All right, so I'll talk to you guys later. I will see you guys later on the next video, and y'all guys have a wonderful day.